How to log in HSBC Mortgage Account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your HSBC Mortgage Account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application and at the top search bar type in HSBC Mortgage Account. As you do so, you will see its official website that says Changing Your Mortgage. Click open that link. Then you will land onto its official website. In order to access your mortgage account, click on to log on your top right. Then here, you need to enter your username. Enter your username at this box that says please enter your username and click on to continue. Before that, in case you would like to remember your username for this site for the next time, then check the box that says remember me. In case you have forgotten your username, you can click on to forgotten username and get help resetting your account. As you do so, at the next page, you will be required to enter your password and then click on to log in. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your HSBC mortgage account. Just like so, this is how you can access your mortgage account. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.